Green?
Yes.
Did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with?
Okay, pause for a second. This is a critical moment. The judge is making sure Green understood the legal documents he signed. That's not just a formality. If he didn't fully grasp them, his entire plea could be challenged later. Always pay attention when a judge asks, "Did you understand?" That's the system covering its legal basis.
Your attorney, did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Reginald Taiwan Green who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 10024 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on April 16, 2025 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 21st day of May, 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant.
That's the real tension point. Up to 2 years in jail and a hefty fine. At this point, Green knows what's on the line. Notice how calm he stays, though? That's either acceptance or exhaustion. What do you think? Is he resigned to his fate or just going through the motions?
Reginald Tyrone Green committed the offense of theft in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State will waive all others.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1? Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion to revoke sentence to 180 days in the state jail facility and take into consideration cause number 2025 CC 007955.
All right, and that cause number, what is that cause number?
That is the theft Green pled to.
All right. And then as a part of your previous plea bargain agreement, the court was asked to take in consideration county court cause number 70, if everybody could write this down, 709056 and 709057. And what were those cause numbers? The offenses.
I'll be close to the one that we're
Yeah.
taking in 007955 and then 707056.
All right, I'll see if I can look it up. Yes.
So cause number 709056 is a criminal trespass, and the other is a resisting arrest.
All right. So what has he done on probation other than pick up another theft case? Has he completed anything?
Your Honor, I don't believe he has been out on bond long enough to complete anything. It's my understanding that Mr. Green has been struggling with some mental health issues and is ready to accept any and all help that the state will offer. The underlying offense, I believe, is a unauthorized use of a motor vehicle that stems from a confusion with his parents. His father is here, present, and is standing behind and supporting Mr. Green. I do not believe that Mr. Green has successfully completed any of the other conditions of his supervision, but the desire is to pay his debt to society and then to relocate up to Texarkana with his family, and then be with his support network up there so they could help assist him in getting on track with everything.
All right, what I can tell you both is I don't think 180 days is appropriate. He was on probation for unauthorized use of a vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Which is sort of close to being a theft. Sometimes the state will file it as a theft of a vehicle. Sometimes they will file it as just unauthorized use. And then while he's on probation, he's released and he immediately picks up with another theft case. That's in May.
Yes, Your Honor. The theft cases, I believe, are shoplifting, not a forceful dispossession. And from what I understand, there may have been some other factors at work, but from our perspective, the decision to request that the state offer Mr. Green the ability to serve some time on their revocation was something that was agreed upon by all parties to help facilitate Mr. Green's.
Oof, that line from the judge stings, Kent, and it tells you everything. When a judge says you've done nothing to comply with probation, that's the kiss of death for leniency. This is the part of court where stories of second chances start to crumble. But here's a thought. Should mental health struggles factor into sentencing more than prior offenses? Drop your take in the comments. I want to hear your thoughts.
Getting past all of these incidents, I do believe he has a number of days in custody as credit that we would ask the court to attribute to him. But
he has an unauthorized use that he's on probation for April 16, 2025. He doesn't do anything on probation. The only thing he does is pick up another theft case on May 21st, 2025. I'm assuming he gets arrested at some point in time for that, gets released, and then in June, he's alleged to have committed another theft of 2025. I just don't think 180 days is appropriate for him because he hasn't done anything on probation other than pick up new offenses. Y'all are dimming the lights. All right, so this is what the court is going to do. The court is finding you guilty, finding, as previously stated, found violation of condition number 1 true. The court is revoking. The court is taking in consideration 2025 CC 007955. The court will sentence you to 14 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served, and the court will request the therapeutic community.
Your Honor, if the court would entertain a little bit of testimony as to the underlying, if that might
Sure.
have the court can reconsider in its assessment. We would like to call Reginald Green, Senior, to testify.
Here, you're back.